Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to link your Google account to Eduphoria. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is log into your lesson plans, and you don't have to worry about clicking whichever week because it'll share all of it. You're going to go to Share, and underneath Share you're going to hit Link on Sharing. If it's not on, it needs to be on, and then you're just going to hit Copy. It's already copied it. Then you're going to go to Eduphoria, and you're going to click on whatever week you're on. I'm going to do the 22nd because I've already added my other ones. You have to click on the little, I wish I had a finger thing too, the little dimension thing, and then you'll go up to this link button, and you will paste in the link. You'll hit OK, and then close it out, and then you'll hit Save. And that is how you add in your Google.